Watch out. Look falling, then look a whole here for $12 million. Alright.
Say 2 dates. See punch down on the years.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let us get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, impover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Alright, so before we jump into the countdown, let me just give you a brata number 11. My track shoes. Alright, so Elaine Thompson, why is she getting so much hate from Jamaicans? So, as you know, New York Fashion Week around the place right now, and Usain Bolt was there doing him thing, rocking the runway, doing him pose, you know, the to the world pose. And Elaine Thompson was a part of that. Now, she shared on Instagram some weeks ago that she was desirous of, you know, jumping into the modeling ring. She's now a Puma ambassador, and so she was featured on the runway stage doing her thing. I'm a very happy for her. But, you know, anytime people are elevating, Jamaican people go and jump in and try to spoil the fun. So, you know, she was getting a lot of love on her Instagram page, but you see, when you go over into the Observer and the Gleaner and them look at other social media page, many people were criticizing her, saying all kind of negative things. Hope say Elaine really appeared nice, because at the end of the day, people do love her and everybody, you know, are rude for her, except them little people who just I try to get some likes on them comments. So let me know what you thought about Elaine Thompson, you know, rocking the runway for Fashion Week. Sound off below. Number 10, Shelly, Dolly, my word, my sentence. Okay, burritos. So Shelly and Fraser Price, the Shelly and Fraser Price, the world's most amazing 100-meter runner, recently concluded her 2022 season. And let me just say this, Shelly literally got through the season and make 10 sixes look like Anna nothing.
Mind-blowing. Like
in a post-race interview, Shelly shared what she was hoping to do after this season.
How do you feel tonight, one?
Yeah, I'm not feeling bad at all. You know, to be able to end the season with a 10-6 is, you know, really special. I mean, it's not, I didn't get the 10-5, but, you know, next year is another year. And I definitely have to, you know, give God thanks, because in Lausanne...
So the interview I go on good and okay and everything, when all of a sudden now Shelly have to just make a little U-turn and then she go down one little part and jump in at a good girl type of talking.
And no more races this year?
Nope, I'm going home. Gonna get my hair done, you know, get my wig, my lashes done, my nails. You know, I'm gonna be a full body for the season, so yeah.
Cash, check, nails, fresh. You have your regulars. Get no bad breath.
So let me know, burritos, do you enjoy when Shelly and going out like a good girl talkings? Sound off below.
You know, I'm gonna be a full body for the season, so yeah.
Number 9, car thief. Nissan. Okay, burritos. So you know, I saw this video on social media and it saw 2 men who were alleged to be car thieves. They were escaping when all of a sudden them realized that there was a dash cam recording them. Take a look.
Which side? Barking if you're lead the road, my youth. Yo, lead the road, no bad dog. Yo, we are coming on our roads there. Stand up, but which power we come? We don't know what's scheming of a dog. Yo, just don't move, brother. Come, brother. Brother, that's coming. That's you what?
Oh wow, no, Jesus P, you know what, Father God just protect me right about now. And let me just say this, like, I do not like thieves, and but I refuse to believe that this was somebody's first choice. Because I look on certain things like, You know, like when you do, what you call it, you do PEP exam, you do GSAT, common entrance, or whatever the people used to do before that. You have your multiple choices, like your 3 different choices and whatever. Me no think somebody put like teeth in and being a good man as them first choice. Like, I don't want to believe that. I want to believe, say, you know, society is just so bad that life just hand them out a bad set of cards and them just feel like them not have much options, so them have to resort to that. But people be readers, I don't know, Father God just make a way for them people here so them don't have to be a nuisance to other people. Just give them opportunities, make them flourish, make them get to open a business and to just do something that can really properly uplift themselves. In your name I pray, amen. Burritos, let me know what you thought about this video. Sound off below.
Lord Jesus.
Number 8, Bubba Ice Cream. Me entertainment minister. Okay, burritos. So the Olivia Bubba Grange, the culture minister, posted a video of her enjoying some good Devon House ice cream. You see why Olivia Bubba Grange is a politician? Because she is showing that she is not new to this. She is true to this. Period. She never was going to, lick that ice cream on camera. She knows that we don't have no good intentions when you're not ready to splice the video, meme it and gif it and all of them look something there. So she say, you know what? You're not catching me. No, ma'am. You know, and let me just say this, I actually ran into Bubba Grange a couple days ago, you know, because I went to the gala night for the new play, Pichupachi, we're going to tell you about later. I mean, I tell you, Bubba is a really a good girl, you know, we are talking about Shelly being a doll. I feel like Bubba is a seasoned, dolly. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. Bubba is stepping at the place, I mean, I tell you, man, is a walking influencer that you look on. Like, the only thing left me see Bubba in right now is like a spaghetti altar back strap on them, or something there. Bubba, as much as you see she have the little influencer girl thing, you know, so she will kind of put you in your place if needs be. Or remember when she and Lisa and they have the little...
He has to withdraw that. He has to withdraw that. She's being rude and pasty. I know you're holding up.
Yeah, man, it was right then and there. I know, so Bubba have mouth and Bubba enough to get played with. Burritos, let me know, are you in agreement with what social media had to say? And what is your favorite ice cream to have when you go to Devon House? Sound off in the comments. Number 7, Pichupachi, me Jamaican play, Burritos. So I was invited to the gala night of the new Jamaica theatre production called Pichupachi.
Pichupachi, them Pichupachi, them Pichupachi, them Pichupachi. Listen me, bitch patch. Mix match, the funniest show if we come to theaters. Actors and influencers, ready for chat about Jamaica. Them
so the play, you know, it's about what, 1.5 hours or 2 hours. It's really good. It consists of several short skits that really reflect Jamaican life. And they really spoke about what the whole Pichupachi notion is. But enough of my chatting, just take a little look at some of the content that I captured on the day. But in all of that, my episodes, big up the entire cast. It was really a good production. I love to see local theatre, especially with incorporating the new generation of online talents. And let me just say this, like, I actually did this some years ago. Had a similar experience when I was invited to join the production called Laugh It Off. This was put on by Olivia Mir, and I actually performed right there at the same location at Philip Sherlock.
Stay on the right side.
And I was a part of a cast with Akeem Mignot. You had Simone Cooper, Patricia K. Aarons there. There was just like Christine Starr. Like, it was just a great vibe and a great movement. And it was, you know, it was a good moment for me them time there. Like, me never want to post the video them right now because it bound to be embarrassing. So, you know, I just know that this moment that TC, Tanania, and Julie Manga is having, I'm sure it is something that is very surreal, and it is all because of what they've done online. So hopefully this will be an inspiration for those of you who are watching right now who sit down on the talent, no have no talent. Please so go out and go step forward for no dreams, because you never know who might be watching and the places that you might get invited to. So just do the do. Okay, Burritos. But let me know, have you heard about the play Pichupachi? And what do you think of all of this excitement? Sound off below. Number 6, curry cooked. My word. Okay, Burritos. So it seems that there is some trouble in the Maroon village, because rumor has it that the chief Richard Curry was ousted by the Maroons.
What's up with that?
Now, I saw this on social media and people are posted to me and said, Jesus, Pim, what could be happening? Because from what I gather, Richard Curry seems to be a very dominant force in that space, and people seem to be listening to him. But we did hear liquor disruptions here and here, but we never really think it would really culminate to this. So let me just jump into detail, because what Richard is saying is that those rumors are untrue and that he is still very much in his position.
Tonight I wish to categorically denounce the actions of a handful of Maroons leading to greed and power to negotiate and control mining monies that would only filter to the hands if they were to accomplish their deceptive plans. The acts carried out by the names I will begin to call out have all engaged in a massive scheme to assassinate the character of my administration and myself, which has manifestly created a defamation case. They have been aided and abetted by officials belonging externally to other entities, as well as mainstream media proxies and propaganda accounts, which aim to remove me as the democratically elected leader of the Accompong Maroons of Trelawney Town.
Try to understand what really I keep. Yes.
So I'm just like, oh my God, Richard need for angle in bangle, because this don't look good, because we expect the Maroons, well, let me just say, I expect the Ramones to be a symbol of unity. So all of this chaos and disruption just seem like very similar to what going with PNP and JLP and Alimco, something there. So hopefully he's able to really galvanize everybody and kind of, you know, really show his leadership so them can move forward and just stay out of the media for them little bangarang here. Burritos, let me know if you agree. What are your thoughts? Sound off below.
Miss Lou, happy birthday, you know.
You can hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Alright.
This long time, girl, we never see you.
And not true, yeah.
So Miss Lou, you know them song, yeah?
Bounce, hop, make sure you sing your one day.
I'm not singing, I sing, I play. That's my theme song.
I think you need to go hurry up and go join TikTok so you can get like one of them trending sound day.
Oh yeah.
No man, just trust me. Just sing your song.
Alright. This long time, girl, me never see you. It is a long time. Feel it. He had John Closina. Pick up the dust. No pile up the culture. Listen.
All right. Happy birthday, same here. Big up yourself. Number 5, security TikTok. Me, why was I going to say El Shaddai? That is a taxi company, but I really couldn't remember no security company. Well, anyway, Burritos, I don't know if you've been following up with TikTok and seen this particular user account. This is a security guard, people, and he is known for coming up with very creative ways to really highlight and reflect the security guard experience. He goes by the name of Active King, and this brother just does not miss. Take a look.
Shh. Do not tell anyone.
Yeah.
What you see here is what gonna stay here. What you listen here, you're not gonna tell anyone. Shh. Can you keep a secret?
One more time, I couldn't hear you.
know. I'm just wondering, like, how genius is this brother? Like, is there somebody producing all of these things for him? Because him just tend to find the most relevant sound bites them and come up with the concept them and execute it. It's just, I don't know. I feel like he's supposed to get a razor pay. Like, him can't just get the regular pay. He might forget some add on to it for just the joy that he's bringing to the people who are looking at his videos. Let me know, Burritos, have you ever seen any of his comments? And if you have, sound off below which one is your favorite. Number 4, uniform woes. Me hemline, Burritos, there is a whole entire conversation happening right now as it relates to what are violations of school rules. Should rules be rules, or is there supposed to be a space where rules can be challenged? So in recent times, I posted this as a quote down quickie where two young men were barred from entering high school because their pants was deemed tight. No, there's a continuation of that after there was a protest held at the Godfrey Stewart High School at the start of the new school year after several students were prevented from gaining access to the compound.
Camera! Now put you take your pants and put it over and put it knees up. And I tell her, say, I swear if you wear. Oh, wicked, the teacher there, wicked. Wicked and wicked. Wicked! I saw them at that sleep in them knees up. So then pull up your pants and test it. Oh, wicked and wicked.
What would you like to say? What would you like to say to Favour Williams right now?
Me want a 2 year in a go school, take a corona. Put in him through school compound. I understand. A lot of them uniform take up and look away. It's not on the school rule. But we want to look good like my son, let him show.
This is the energy we never run with. And my question is like, of course rules are rules, but I also feel that there should be a space now where some of the rules them can be challenged. And I feel like the time is now. Because let me just say this. It would have been so great if when these principals are coming up with these rules and these guidelines and they don't want to be flexible, none at all, and they want to just go full force, if this energy was reflected in the output at the school. If you're going to have all of this energy, when CXC time, make sure say your school at top the list. But if you're going to jump out with all of these strict rules and strict recommendations because rules are rules, and then at the end of the day, they pick them books, still clean them brain, still not having not there, what I tell you about all of your focus. Focus on some of the other things them right about now. You see schools like Campion High, they have people with brain and kind of like something there, excitement. They were allowed to kind of inject them creativity here and there. And these are some of the most brilliant kids. And I feel that there is a sort of mental slavery that we need to move beyond that and really understand that, this rules and rules notion can be challenged. A rule can be challenged. Sometimes we outgrow a particular rule and there has to be a conversation about that. And I feel that the time is now. So the principal is saying that she wanted the school uniforms to really basically behave like a broom, like a mop stick. She wanted it down to their ankles because she felt that would keep away predators.
Now!
And you are telling me, say, if they're further than her ankle now, nobody will trouble her. You know the psyche of an actual predator? You think that business, them could have covered up in a one big industrial scandal bag. The people, them would have see how the scandal bag shape out, or them imagination would have started to think what in the scandal bag, and them would have stepped to it with all kind of viciousness. And I know this principal has to know better, but there is a sense of power that comes with feeling, say, yes man, me now make this generation rule me. Me, I gonna make this generation know how me did get raised and show you, say, this is exactly what made me come out to be somebody in life that is respectable. And I am going to say that, a lot of that is there is a truth to it, but most of it is some BS. You get me? Most of it is some BS. Because we all know about Pastor Pitney and Teacher Pitney, and some of them were the most rebellious. And you wonder why. You get me? So focus on actually, making sure that the education is of a certain quality. And you can work on these things throughout the school year, man. But the first day of school, all of this energy, yeah, man, it's misplaced. But Burritos, let me know what you think of this entire situation. Are you on the side of rules should be rules, or do you feel as if some of the rules them a little bit too strict right now? Them can't ease up. A lot of these uniforms never really that tight or that short. Sound off below. Number 3, Rygin, Cry.
So many damage has been done.
Wow, Burritos. So dancehall artist Rygin King If you don't know, some time ago, he was shot several times, and as a result, he is now disabled. He's not able to walk. He has to be using a wheelchair to get around.
I've been broken. Skies, some skies them.
But he is jumping back into the mix, doing what he loves with the launch of a new album by the name of Therapy. Now, while at the album launch, Rygin King had this moment that got many people in their fields. Take a look.
Big up Remy. You know what I'm the party organizer end up in a
Yeah, man, that was kind of hard to watch. Many people saw and felt Rygin King and what he was going through and really connected with him in that moment. Many people were moved, and they shared how they were moved online, including this man who was videoed reacting to Rygin King's situation.
That classical way I cry for. Are the Queen here moan over?
I take in Rygin King for a performance. Sit down in a wheelchair. When I see how them do you, tears come on my eye. Swear. When I look on the youth in a wheelchair, tears come on my eye. If you know say, this is another Jamaican like myself who I got towards him goal. I see how they cripple the youth, put him in a wheelchair, give thanks, him still have lives.
Yeah, man, Burritos. So, boy, honestly, I just wish, all the best, and that, Rygin King will continue stride by stride making his recovery, hoping that there will be a miracle and he'll be able to walk again and to just carry on his life the way how he has been doing for all these years. So, all the best, Rygin King, and the album Slap. Let me know, Burritos, how did you react when you watched this video of him on stage? Sound off below. Number 2, 12 million sign. Me fridge top. Okay, Burritos, now this has got to be one of the biggest topics of the week. Many people have been arguing, debating as to whether or not this $12 million sign that was a part of the Jam Iconic experience that the tourism minister Edmund Bartlett kicked off over the weekend.
2, 3, here we go. There you go.
Now the sign is basically saying welcome to the grill, and it will be an attraction, I guess, for tourists when they're traveling and for locals as well, because we're in a social media age where everybody wants to take picture, and we like to have them very big and bright and colorful festive landmarks. So when this got posted online and the news came out that it cost $12 million, many people started to express their frustration with the government for, I guess, spending all of this money when they felt that he could have been placed in other institutions to do more for the country. So many people feel like, why it cost so much money? If, they must say, some people say, them could have built 2 or 3 houses with the money there. How they look something if it cost so much money? Even Damian Crawford jumped into it and said, come like one old piggy bank. So one bag of talking and going online as to whether this sign was really worth the $12 million investment. Then things even took a further turn after these videos and images were posted online.
Watch out, look falling, then look a whole here for $12 million. At $12 million, watch out, this not even make good to blood kit, and they say $12 million. Be a whole. Watch out. I'll paint a strip already. And at $12 million. Oh, then we kids saw, watch out. Big old hole. Inches, all about my inches. $12 million.
Where I go? Let's go mackerel and rye.
So that go on, you even have people, you know, such Cuz and a couple others, Lando jumping in the mix to do comedy sketches about taking away the sign, and I'm just like, oh my God. Let me just say this. I totally understand why people are probably upset, because there has been a lot of mishandling of public funds. And so many Jamaicans just are not trusting the government when it comes to money, financial matters. But, you know, me no work for a construction company, so I can't tell you if this sign really worth it, because me know say it can't just be for the letters them. Then probably would have to go clear the area and all kind of things.
Oh, that? Yes, people are thinking,
Really,
oh,
that?
Oh, you
Are you serious?
Yeah.
But I am actually here for the prettying up and the beautification, because these things happen across the world. I know Jamaican people love the excitement, but I just really hope that they weren't robbed, because those images don't look good at all. And me like how it sound. This don't look like something very durable, and it's going to be very long lasting. You know, like when your mother I go buy back to school shoes, and your mother get the shoes and she just go so, and she knock it for feel for durability. Then not the right there so, it'll give me hungry. It'll give me nothing in the stomach. It'll go burp, it'll go have gas, it need like a tea. That is what that sign is giving me. But Burritos, what do you think? Do you think that the sign is worth the money or not? Sound off below.
Clap if you care. Clap if you care.
Watch your style, man. I intend to jet boss. I'm represent for social media account. You know the band is come down there.
And number one goes to Shirley Ralph wins. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Shirley Ralph winning an Emmy. Oh my God. So I have to say congratulations to the Jamaican actress. Like, she is just phenomenal. The original dream girl, and now she is winning for Best Supporting Actress in a comedic role because of her role in the very popular series about Elementary. Me can't say congratulations enough.
To anyone who has ever had a dream and thought your dream wouldn't, couldn't come true, I am here to tell you that this is what believing looks like. This is what striving looks like. And don't you ever give up on you.
Do you know how amazing this woman is? Like, this woman is 67 years old and she looks incredible.
You look good, no blood flow. Your belly flat. You lose the right amount of weight. You're sling back like a cheerleader.
When she steps into a room, she commands attention. That is the Shirley Ralph way. And she gave an amazing acceptance speech.
And if you've got friends like everybody who voted for me, cheered for me, loved me, thank you.
Yes, yes. If you watch that and feel inspired, something wrong with you. You have chronic worklessness. You're just chronically careless. And so, you know, congratulations to Shirley Ralph. And even before that, while she was on the red carpet, me know that something was good going to happen, you know, from she mentioned this particular Jamaican saying.
As we say in Jamaica, what is for you can't be unfor you.
Yeah, man, and it is absolutely so true. Like, what is for you can't be unfor you. And so, really, really proud of her. And I have to go and bring up Quinta for creating a series such as About Elementary. You know, because, and that is why I tell people, you know, you have to go out and just go do what you do, you know. Because many times, you don't realize that with you pursuing your goals, people's success is attached to it. Quinta, starting that show, Shirley Ralph's Emmy was attached to that, and Quinta never know. So some of the times them you have your dreams, them you have your goals, them, and you do not know how it will literally help to change somebody else's life. But it is dependent, it's directly proportional on you getting up off of your ass and making sure say you step into your destiny. And so, you know, it really just lifts my spirit, and I hope it's going to lift your spirit, Burritos, because I know I will put on hard working, I will not try, and I try to do the best in my life, but sometimes I just lose a little motivation. So hopefully this speech will really help to just energize, you know, and so we can all get back on that goal-oriented path and just remember that we're not supposed to ease up. Keep applying that pressure. All right, so Berreaders, let me know what you thought of Shirley Ralph's Emmy winning speech down in the comments. Well, that is it, people. We've come to the end of another Dutty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on your post notifications. And do not forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Also, please to follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over, as well as to advertise within the social media countdown. Come on now. I'm available for hosting all kind of stuff. Christmas is coming up. Book me for your events, people. Okay, just reach out to me, bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like a him name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.